That is a COVID hug. I know. If it wasn't COVID, I would be getting a bigger hug. Yo, one more time. Make some noise for people, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, people.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm so fine. Wululu.
Wululu. That is a COVID wululu.
It's a COVID wululu.
Yeah. It's good to see you. It's good to have you here.
I've missed you.
I'm here, baby. You look amazing. You look stunning.
It's making me blush, but
You look wonderful. Today is your day. We are celebrating kings and queens of the future. I believe that you are the future.
I believe.
Yeah, you're not about to stop. But before we go any further, I want you to look to the people right now and say hello and do the honors of welcoming everybody who is here.
Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to see you. Come, guys. Come.
VIP.
We are one family. Thank you so much, guys, for
MC
coming.
Coco. VIP, please come
I feel
closer.
like because he has already stepped away from me in ways I don't know how to explain. It's not been easy, of course, you know. It's not been easy at all. I started this music journey when I was 14 years old. And you know what that means. You have to be more aggressive, you have to be more assertive, you have to be more in control of who you are. Because the temptations,
The morning.
my phone, I touch it. Touch it.
What is the one thing you can never forget when you're leaving home?
My charger on my phone.
Ochio, if you had one opportunity to move out of Uganda, what is the one place that would come to your mind first?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
I love Dubai, but Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Tell me something. Give me two musicians you'd love to have a collabo with in Uganda.
There are so many, all of them, but mostly. Wow. Epas.
Yeah.
Epas, yeah, because we have Charlies, we are friends. Karoka Seat as well.
Carol Casita as well. What's your favorite color?
Yellow, green, pink. I love color. I love bright.
What's your favorite food?
Rice, chicken.
Rice and chicken.
Yeah.
Our both of them.
In all cuisine, in every style you can give them that to me, I can eat it. Chinese,
Yeah.
Indian,
Yeah.
everything.
What would you choose between love and money?
Money. I'll choose money because you know what? I just cannot survive brokenness. Being broke looks bad on me. It looks very bad on me. I can't do it. I can't. But I can't survive without love. I can pretend. And I can find it at the end of the day. So
Yeah.
money first.
Banango omwana omuwulidde, you can survive without love. Ebyo ne byapira pounds. If you had a choice to choose between a Range Rover Land Cruiser and a Mercedes Benz,
I think I'm Mercedes.
you choose a Mercedes Benz.
Yes. Give it to me. Anyway.
We have somebody who would love to give you a Mercedes Benz right now. What would you do in your free time if you're not doing music?
Eating and sleeping. I love eating, sleeping. I also love reading, by the way. That's where I get my literature to write.
Okay. If you were not a musician, what would you be?
Definitely a stripper. Definitely a stripper.
Somebody say, whoop, whoop.
Not in Uganda.
Can you be a stripper for me now?
No.
Okay.
I would be a lawyer probably, I think.
One more time.
Publicity not
Can somebody see piano pounds in court?
Yes. Yes.
In a suit?
Yes. I was going
Really?
to be a lawyer. I'm even still in school. I'm still in school, so
Yeah.
you never know what might happen.
Yeah. What has been your most memorable moment on stage?
When I performed at the Cindy Sanyu show, I performed my song. It was like a week old.
Yeah.
And the crowd,
Yeah.
the crowd was singing.
Most embarrassing moment of your life?
Same stage, different year. People threw cups and bitupas at me because they thought I am someone's moja. So
Okay, we'll talk about the moja next time.
next year,
When we come back.
Yeah, it was so embarrassing. By the way, I almost threw my wig off stage. I was crying. I disorganized my whole life.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, now listen, man.